wider canvas, I am welcoming the young dancer Kalamandalam Lakshmi Anil. She started learning dance at the age of 7 under the guidance of Guru Kalamandalam Sumati in various dance forms such as Mohiniyattam, Bharatnatyam, and Kuchipudi. She joined in Kerala Kalamandalam Deemed University for art and culture at the age of 12 for schooling and completed graduation and post graduation in Mohiniyattam. She had performed in various stages with the Kerala Kalamandalam troops in Kerala and in solo at venues such as Natyanjali Festival Hyderabad, Krishna Pushkaralu Festival Vijayawada, Tirunakshatra Mahotsavam Hyderabad, Indian International Dance Festival Hyderabad, and writer O.V. Vijayan Award function at Hyderabad. Apart from this, she had choreographed various items in Mohiniyattam. Sadi from Dekshayagam was one of the choreographies highly appreciated at Kerala Kalamandalam. She is an experienced dance instructor in Mohiniyattam and Bharatnatyam at Natyalaya School of Classical Dances at Kerala, an institute founded and directed by Srimati Kalamandalam Sumati. Presently, she is working as a dance instructor and cultural coordinator at Navina Samskarika Kala Kendram, Hyderabad. Also founder and director of Tabasya Nritya Kala Kendram, Hyderabad, an institute for Mohiniyattam and Bharatnatyam. She has received Mahakavi O.N.V. Kurup Endowment for Mohiniyattam from Kerala Kalamandalam in the year 2010. She is also rewarded with excellent performance in dance, a cultural program on Samskarigam conducted by Kshetra Kala Samskarika Samiti. She was the disciple of noted Mohiniyattam exponent Kalamandalam Leelama, Kalamandalam Haimavadi, Kalamandalam Ledika, and Kalamandalam Pushpalada.
Namaste. First, I would like to appreciate Team Moham and Srimati Dr. Maithili Anoop for taking an initiative on the topic of Mohiniyattam on a wider canvas in a virtual platform, Moham. And also would like to thank for inviting me in this talk series. The last few days we have been hearing very informative talks shared by professors, academicians and research scholars. Let me introduce myself. I am Kalamandalam Lakshmi Anil, a Mohiniyattam practitioner from Hyderabad. I started learning Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi at the age of 7. My first guru was Srimati Kalamandalam Sumati teacher. I have learned for 5 years Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi under teacher's guidance. After that, with all the support of my teacher and my parents, I joined Kerala Kalamandalam in the year 2002. After joining there, I started learning Mohiniyattam. And after few years, I realized the beauty and the depth of the art form. Mohiniyattam is characterized by graceful lasya movements which really influenced me to continue learning Mohiniyattam in depth. I was really blessed to learn under the guidance of very famous Mohiniyattam exponents, Guru Kalamandalam Ledika teacher, Kalamandalam Pushpalada teacher, Kalamandalam Haimavati teacher, Kalamandalam Rajalakshmi teacher, Kalamandalam Leelama teacher. Through my gurus, I have learned the aesthetics and the scope of Mohiniyattam. In Kalamandalam, we follow Gurukula Sambradayam. The systematic learning method helped me a lot to improve my dance skills. After I completing my graduation from Kalamandalam. I was interested to know more about Mohiniyattam and I joined for post graduation again there. That time I got an opportunity to learn under the guidance of famous Mohiniyattam exponent Guru Kalamandala Leelama teacher, which is a turning point in my life. I was really influenced by teachers, classes, the way of teaching, behavior, and the beautiful choreographies were done by my Guru. And I was really blessed to have Leelama teacher as my Guru in Mohiniyattam. Without any doubt, I can tell you that Kerala Kalamandalam and my Gurus are the reasons for me to pursue Mohiniyattam. I have choreographed some items in Mohiniyattam. One item is Sati, which is a Varnam from Dakshayagam Atakadha. The music composed by Shri Vayalar Rajendran sir, and also choreographed some Swati Tirunal Kritis. As a Mohiniyattam practitioner, I wish to choreograph more items in Mohiniyattam and also continue my higher studies in Mohiniyattam, for which I am preparing now. During my initial days in Hyderabad, when I was telling that I am a Mohiniyattam artist, people used to ask me what is Mohiniyattam or how to do Mohiniyattam. So I realized they were not aware about the art form. I feel the reach for Mohiniyattam is less in other states when we compare to Kerala. And also I feel the other challenges which we are facing now, that is the less stage opportunities for upcoming artists. And I wish to improve the reachability and the awareness of Mohiniyattam in people as a beautiful art form. And I believe it can be done through healthy discussions and lecture demonstrations. Irrespective all of these challenges, I would like to continue as a Mohiniyattam dancer with a positive approach. Thank you so much.
महाकायं तप्तकाञ्चन सन्निधं लम्बोदरम् വിശാലാക്ഷം വന്ദേഹം ഗണനായകം ചിത്ര രത്ന വിചിത്രാംഗം ചിത്രമാല വിഭൂഷിതം കാമരൂപതരം ദേവം വന്ദേഹം ഗണനായകം സർവവിഘ്നഹരം ദേവം സർവവിഘ്നവിവർജിതം സർവസിദ്ധി പ്രദാനം വന്ദേഹം ഗണനായകം വന്ദേഹം ഗണനായകം താതി തകത ജുഡു തിമിത ജുഡു താതി തകനക താതി തകത ജുഡു തിമിത ജുഡു താതി തകനക താതി the